let's solve this problem. Let f of x be a cubic polynomial with f of 1 is minus 10, f of minus 1 is 6, and has a local minima. So f has a local minima at x equals to 1, and f dash of x has a local minima at x equals to minus 1. Then f of 3 is equals to, so we have to find the function value at 3. So as f of x is a cubic polynomial, so f of x is of the form ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Okay, so now what it is given? It is given that f of 1 is minus 10, f of minus 1 is 6, f has a local minima at x equals to 1, f has a local minima at x equals to 1. Okay, and then f dash of x or f dash has a local minima at x equals to minus 1, and then we have to calculate the value of f at 3. So now let's substitute this value 1 as function value at 1 is minus 10. So now let's calculate what is f of 1. So f of 1 turns out to be a plus b plus c plus d. So now it is given that f of 1 equals to minus 10, and then what is f of 1 turns out to be? F of 1 turns out to be a plus b plus c plus d equals to minus 10. So we can take this equation as an equation number 1. Also it is given that f of minus 1 equals to 6. So then f of minus 1 turns out to be minus a plus b minus c plus d equals to 6. Okay, this we take it as an equation number 2. Now it is given that f has a local minima at x equals to 1. F has a local minima at x equals to 1. It says that f dash of 1 will be 0. So now let's calculate the derivative. Now let's calculate the derivative of f and substitute 1 in that, and the function answer is 0. So now what is f dash of x? F dash of x is 3a x square plus 2bx plus c. Okay, now we know that f dash of 1 is equals to 0. So what is f dash of 1? It's going to be 3a plus 2b, is going to be 3a plus 2b plus c. This is equals to 0. Okay, next it is given that f dash has a local minima at x equals to minus 1. Then this means that f double dash of minus 1 is equals to 0. So now let's calculate the f double dash of x value. So now f double dash of x value is 6ax plus 2b. Okay, and what we know that f double dash of minus 1, this is equals to 0. So then what we get? Minus 6a plus 2b equals to 0. So then this gives b is equals to 3a. Okay, here from here we get b equals to 3a. Let's take this equation number 3. Now we can substitute b equals to 3a in equation, say this equation is number 4. So now let's substitute b equals to 3a in equation 4. So what we are going to get? See, the b will get replaced with a, and then we are going to get c value in terms of a. Okay, so here from here we get 3a plus b value is 3a, so it becomes 6a plus c equals to 0. So the value of c is minus 9a. So now we have value of C in terms of A, we have value of B in terms of A. So now we can substitute this in equation 1 and equation 2. So we are going to get two equations in the variable A and D, which is a linear equation. Okay, then we can solve simultaneously to get the value of A and D. Once we get the value of A and D, we can substitute here in equation 3 and 4 to get the value of B and C respectively. Okay, so that's the plan. So now let's see what we are getting from the equation 1. Equation 1 we get A plus B, B value is 3A, C value is 9 minus 9A plus D equals to minus 10. So then we get minus 5A plus D, minus 5A plus D equals to minus 10. Okay, that's this we can take it as equation number 5. Now let's consider equation number 2. So we get minus A, B value plus 3A minus C value, then it turns out to be plus 9A plus D equals to 6. Okay, so then we get from here is 11A plus D equals to 6. Okay, so now we can take this as equation number 6. So now we can solve A and we can solve equation 5 and 6 simultaneously to get the answer, to get the value of A and B. So now we subtract equation 5 from equation 6. So we get 16A equals to 16. So this implies that A is equals to 1. So then we can see that if A equals to 1, so then B equals to minus 5. And then we can use this equation to get the value of C. So then the value of C is minus 9 and then we get value of B as 3. Okay, so the value of A is 1, B is minus 5, C is minus 9, B is 3. So then what is our f of x then? F of x is x cubed plus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. So what we have to calculate? We have to calculate f of 3. So then what is f of 3? It's going to be 3 cubed plus 3 cubed minus 9 into 3 minus 5. Okay, so this value turns out to be going to be 22. So 22 is the answer. Thank you.